Dear parents and students, welcome to an informative video. My name is Gladson Lee Joseph. When I interact with the students in 11th grade or in 10th grade, in 11th grade when I interact with the students, I'll just ask them what is the criteria for selecting your stream. Like if they are in science stream or in commerce stream or in arts stream, I'll just simply ask them what is the criteria that you have selected your stream. The replies usually I used to get were, my parents told me to select the stream, so I selected it. My friends were going to this stream, so I also joined that stream. For me, science, physics, chemistry, biology was difficult, so I selected arts or humanities, arts or commerce. These all are the replies which I used to get. And when I interact with the students in 10th grade, when I ask them in a way like what is the stream that you select or what is the stream that you are going to select in your 11th grade, then usually they used to say, I'm confused. I need to become a doctor. I need to become an engineer. I'm interested in this field. I'm interested in that field. But I don't know what exactly that I need to choose. End of the day, they'll also do the same thing what everyone is doing. Follow the crowd. But is that the criteria to select your stream after 10th grade? No, these all are not the criteria to select your stream after your 10th grade. There are some simple methods that you need to follow to select your stream after 10th grade. Let me make it very simple for you. The first thing that you need to do is you need to fix a goal in your life. What you want to become. You need to find an answer for this question, and then you need to understand what all are the options that you have for becoming that goal or to reach that goal. Then you need to take your first step, which is the stream selection. Let me make it very simple once again. Imagine that if a student needs to become a doctor, so the first thing that you need to do is he need to select PCB as his main subject in 11th and 12th grade, so that he can, after completing his 12th grade, he can write the entrance examinations and he can get into the medical college and he can become a doctor. So if you know this complete path, then you will be able to choose the stream selection in very simple way and an easy way. Now let me explain it to you in step by step. The first thing that you need to do is know yourself. You need to understand yourself. For that, two things will help you out. You need to understand your aptitude and you need to understand your interest. What exactly is aptitude? In simpler ways, you can say aptitude is your inbuilt ability to complete or to do some task. Interest, you can relate it with your ability to do something regardless of your skill. So if you understand what is your aptitude and what is your interest, then your first step for selection of stream after 10th grade is done. Now, what is the second step that you need to do? Second step is you need to understand what all are the options that is related to your aptitude and your interest. What all are the options that is available? Means you need to understand the different options like science, humanities, arts, polytechnic courses. You need to understand about different options. You need to search about all these options. And then you need to understand the difficulty level of each option, the higher study or higher education opportunities of each option. Then you need to understand about the career opportunities of each option. So once you have this information in your hand, then comes the third step. You need to discuss it with your parents and your teachers, because your parents and teachers are experienced and experts in that, and they are the people who know you in a better way. because parents will be knowing you in a better way and teacher will be knowing you relating to academics also and in your personality also. So they'll be able to help you out. Then comes the fourth step. You can always take a help of a certified counselor, so that counselor can give you the method to identify your aptitude and your interest, that is a psychometric test, and he can help you in how to set your goal if you have not set a goal yet, and also he can help you in guiding with different options in the market. So I suggest everyone, please make sure that you are using these 4 criteria before you select your stream in your 10th grade. These 4 criteria will make sure that you are not in the wrong path and you are in the right path. Moving forward, this will be helping you in building a better career. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts or clarifications, please make sure that you are getting in touch with us. And if you need any help in psychometric testing or in career counseling, you please make sure that communicate with us or get in touch with us. We will be always there to help you out. Thank you once again.